Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to MathMads YouTube channel. Today, let's discuss some case study problems in quadratic equations. The first question is, Raj and Ajay are very close friends. Both the families decide to go to Raniket by their own cars. Raj's car travels at a speed of X km per hour, while Ajay's car travels 5 km per hour faster than Raj's car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey of 400 kilometers. So, what is the distance given in both cases? 400 kilometers. And speed of Raj's car is given as X and Ajay's car is 5 km per hour faster than Raj's car. So X plus 5 will be the speed of Ajay's car. Then what will be the time taken by Raj? We know that time is equal to distance by speed. So 400 by X for Raj, and for Ajay it will be 400 by X plus 5. So this is the information from the passage. We also know one thing, that Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey. So time taken by Raj is 4 hours more than time taken by Ajay. So just substitute what we have. 400 by X is equal to 4 plus 400 by X plus 5. Let's keep it like this only for timing. Let's see what is the first question. What will be the distance covered by Ajay's car in 2 hours? So they've given the time, that is 2 hours, and we know the speed of Ajay is equal to X plus 5 km per hour. So distance is equal to speed into time. So this is equal to X plus 5 into 2, which is equal to 2X plus 10 kilometers. That is the first question. Second question, describe a quadratic equation for the given situation. So we already have an equation. Let's simplify it further and arrive at a quadratic equation. So 400, let me bring everything to left hand side. 400 by X minus 400 by X plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 0. Right? Now take the LCM. LCM will be X into X plus 5. So 400 into X plus 5 minus 400X minus, now this has 1 as the denominator, so I have to multiply X and X plus 5 for this particular number. 4 into X plus 5 divided by, what is our LCM? X into X plus 5 is equal to 0. In the next step, you observe, if I send X into X plus 5 to right hand side, it becomes 0. So I am only left with numerator is equal to 0. So let me open the brackets now. 400X plus 2000 minus 400X minus 4 into X, that is 4X square, minus 4X into 5, that is minus 20X is equal to 0. Now on further simplification, you can cancel 400X and minus 400X. You are left with minus 4X square minus 20X plus 2000 is equal to 0. Now this is very huge. So let me divide the entire equation by 4. What happens? Or minus 4, so that my first term becomes positive. So if I divide the entire thing by 4, there is no effect on right hand side, but still. Now if I divide it, I'll get X square. Now minus by minus, it will be plus 5X minus 500 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation that describes the given situation. X square plus 5X minus 500 is equal to 0. Now, what is the third question? What is the speed of Raj's car? Speed of Raj's car is X. So I just have to find X. To find the speed of Raj's car, let's solve this quadratic equation, that is, find the roots of this equation. X square plus 5X minus 500 is equal to 0 is the given equation. Now, to find the roots of this equation, I have to take the product of first and the last terms. So, what do I get? Minus 500 X square. Now, I have to split this term in such a way, I have to take the factors of this term in such a way that I get the middle term when I add or subtract them. So, which are those factors? Minus 25X and 20X. Will I get plus 5X if I take minus 25 and 20 and add them? No. If I take plus 25 and minus 20, I will get plus 5X. So let me write that here. X square plus 25x minus 20x minus 500 is equal to 0. Now from the first two terms I can take x common, x into x plus 25 minus, from the last two terms I can take minus 20 common into x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now what is common in both? X plus 25 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now x can be equal to minus 25 from the first factor, or x can be equal to 20 from the second factor. Now speed cannot be negative, so x is equal to 20 km per hour. So Raj's car speed is 20 km per hour. That is your third question. The fourth question says, how much time did Ajay take to travel 400 kilometers? Now we know the speed of Raj's car, that is 20. Then what will be the speed of Ajay's car? 20 plus 5, that is 25 km per hour. I have to find the time. So time is equal to distance by speed. So time by Ajay's car is equal to distance, that is 400 km, by speed, that is 25. You get 16 hours. Now let's look at another case study question in quadratic equations. The speed of a motorboat is 20 km per hour. For covering the distance of 15 km, the boat took 1 hour more for upstream than downstream. This is the given information. So let's fill up the table. Okay, we know the speed of the motorboat is 20 km per hour. So 20 km per hour and 20 km per hour. And they've told that the distance is 15 kilometers. So 15 kilometers and 15 kilometers. So let's see how to fill the rest of the information by looking at the first question. Let the speed of the stream be x km per hour. Then what will be the speed of motorboat in upstream? That is the given question. So now we know the speed of the stream is x km per hour. Whenever we are solving upstream and downstream problems, one thing we have to remember is, whenever the boat is going upstream, what happens? The flow of water is against the flow of boat. So you have to subtract these two to get the effective speed. That is 20 minus x. Similarly, when we are going downstream, the speed of the boat and speed of the water are helping the boat to move. So you take the addition. That is 20 plus x. That will be the speed of the boat downstream, and we know speed of the boat upstream. So they are asking what is the speed of the boat upstream, that is 20 minus x. Done. What is the next question? What is the correct quadratic equation for the speed of the current? Okay. We know one information that we haven't used yet, that is the time taken by the boat for upstream is 1 hour more than the time taken for downstream. With this information, can I fill what is time? Yes, time is equal to distance by speed. So just substitute distance is 15 by speed is 20 minus x. Similarly, here distance is 15 by 20 plus x. Okay, this is the time. Now they have given the relation that time upstream is equal to 1 hour plus time taken for downstream. So now you just substitute here 15 by 20 minus x is equal to 1 plus 15 by 20 plus x. Just like our previous problem, let me shift everything to left hand side to obtain the quadratic equation. 15 by 20 minus x minus 15 by 20 plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now look at the denominators here, 20 minus x and 20 plus x. So if I take the product of a plus b and a minus b, what do I get? A square minus b square. So that is nothing but 400, that is 20 square minus x square. Now I have to multiply the same thing with the numerator also. I mean 15 into 20 plus x. So 15 into 20 plus x minus 15 into 20 minus x, okay, minus 1 into the LCM. What is LCM? 400 minus x square. So I will get minus 400 minus x square, which is equal to 0. Now in the next step, if I send 400 minus x square to the other side, what happens? It becomes 0. So let me work only with the numerator. So multiply 15 into 20 gives you 300 plus 15x minus 300 plus 15x minus 400 plus x square is equal to 0. Now on further simplification, I can cancel 300 and minus 300. So I am left with x square plus 30x, that is 15 plus 15 gives you plus 30x minus 400 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation that best describes the speed of the stream. Okay, that is my second question. Third question, what is the speed of the current? Now speed of the current or speed of the stream or speed of the water all mean the same. So speed of the stream is x. So if I solve this particular quadratic equation and find its roots, I will find the speed of the stream. So let's do that. X square plus 30x minus 400 is equal to 0. So you all know how to split the middle term. I have to take the product of minus 400 and x square. So what will I get? Minus 400 x square. Now I need two factors of 400 such that their sum or difference is plus 30x. So I have two factors 40 and 10 whose difference is 30. But I need positive 30. So I should take plus 40x minus 10x. So x square plus 40x minus 10x minus 400 is equal to 0. So from the first two terms I can take x common, x into x plus 40. I can take minus 10 common from here, minus 10 into x plus 40 is equal to 0. So overall x plus 40 is common into x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x can be minus 40 or 10. So speed of the stream cannot be negative, so it has to be positive, that is 10 km per hour. So that is the speed of the stream. Now let's look at fourth question. How much time did the boat take for downstream? So if x is equal to 10, what will be the speed? Now let's concentrate only on the downstream column. So speed downstream will be 20 plus 10, that is equal to 30 km per hour. Okay, I have to find the time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 15 by speed is 30 km per hour. So if I simplify this, I am going to get 1 by 2 hours. 1 by 2 hours is nothing but 30 minutes. So this is the second case study in quadratic equations, right? So there will be more problems based on quadratic equations in the upcoming videos. Keep following.